Excellencies and honorable guests, as the president of the Malta Conference Foundation, I would like to express my gratitude to all of you for accepting our invitation. When we started thinking about the idea of bringing together scientists from 15 Middle East countries and Morocco, it looked like a dream that should never come true. The dream was always met with resistance and discouragement from colleagues and officials. It all started in 2001. Now, 16 years later, this dream is an ever-growing reality, despite the fact that turmoil in the world continues to grow. Today, we are starting the 8th conference, which uses science as diplomacy and as a bridge to peace. I think all of us can be very proud that we made the Malta conferences a respected ongoing event. We continue to do what no other profession can do. Speak a common language that breaks down all barriers, borders, cultures, and religions. We as scientists have the responsibility and the knowledge to contribute solutions for problems facing our civilization and our planet. During the coming 5 days, we will work hard to build collaborations and cooperation on issues of the environment, water, energy, nanotechnology, medicinal chemistry, and education at all levels. The first conference was held in 2003 in Malta, hence the name the Malta Conferences. The second took place in 2005 in Malta, and then we returned for the 10th anniversary of the first conference in 2013. We are honored to have the Malta VIII conference back in Malta, where it all started. Malta is a country that is known around the world for its efforts to promote human dignity, dialogue, and peace. These values are closely aligned with the mission of the Malta conferences. I would like now to thank all of you for joining us here today. Thank you very much. And now, we will start with our official guests, and it is a great privilege and humbling honor to introduce Her Excellency Marie-Louise Colero-Preca, the President of the Republic of Malta. She took the oath on the 9th She took the oath as the 9th and youngest president of Malta on April 4, 2014, after being active in politics for 40 years and serving in Parliament for 16 years. Her life is dedicated to social issues and improving the lives of the most vulnerable in society. Marie-Louise founded the President's Foundation for the Well-Being of Society, the National Forum of Trade Unions, and the National Cancer Platform. She holds the honorary life presidency of the Arab European Forum for Dialogue and Development. President Colero-Preca, in her speeches, emphasized we need to be courageous in taking up the U.S. Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, as an integral part of our operations. If we truly want to better future for all of our, it's no light here, so it's very hard to read. There is no light. If we need to be courageous in taking up the UN Sustainable Development Goals SDGs as an integral part of our operation, if we truly want a better future for all of us, in particular for our children, we cannot afford to ignore any of these goals. These statements represent the framework of the Malta conferences, which concentrate on 6 out of the 17 SDGs, and received the UN Novus Summit Award for goal number 16, Peace and Justice. I would like to end with a statement from President Colera Parker. Political elites must rise above political, ethnic, and religious divide and make concerted efforts to consolidate peace. Let's all of us as scientists rise above the political, ethnic, and religious divides, and as President Colera Parker stated in her speech, make concerted efforts to consolidate peace. Thank you very much for coming.